Hello and welcome to Driver's Therapy. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the sun visor on our NSX. Now we picked up a new one from MITA Motorsports, and this is a great thing to do on an NSX because around this time frame, 30 years or so, you're going to see a lot of the sun visors are going to be cracked right at the seam. And this is one of those simple things that you could do that just refresh and give that nice new look to your NSX. Now we're going to show you how to install it, which is pretty straightforward. We're going to show you the before and after to kind of give you an idea what the difference is on having a new part, and then go from there. All right, let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just pull this down, and with a Phillips screwdriver, we're going to remove these screws. So let's see what happens here. There's one screw, two screws, and pull down. Now let's go ahead and look at the difference. Now this has been in the car for 30 years, unless they replaced it before, but we're going to assume it's 30 years. But look at the gap already with the mirror. And that's probably with the heat where it expanded and just contracted. And let's look at one of the main reasons why we're replacing it. And it's split right there. Now one of the things I wanted to do when I first saw that was probably sew it up. But when I touch this, it is expanded, but it's also hardened so much so that there's no way you could do that. Another thing you could see right here is this is like an orange, but underneath here used to be kind of more of a yellow. And what that is that was done by heat. So not only did it open up, but the heat melted that and made it hard. So this one's going to be almost unfixable. Let's flip it over. You could see it's just a difference in color. And so this is going to be a great thing to change out. Let's go ahead and put it in. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and clean the area off, just to make sure that when we put in our new item, it looks good. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start the installation. We're just going to do it in reverse order. We're going to put this inside here. We're going to put the screw in here. Got to kind of do a little bit of hand magic, and I'm going to start it. I just want to start it, and I'm going to clip this right here so it could hold while I get the second screw. And I am not forcing anything. I'm just kind of, there we go. Just want the screws to get in their holes. Okay, last thing, put that there, and installation is complete. And that's a wrap. Thank you for watching another video on our NSX. And if you guys want to see a bunch of videos on what to do with the NSX, go look at our playlist. We have a lot of them. I also invite you to subscribe, and also if you want to support the channel, there's a little thanks button down there. And that helps us. And if for some reason we helped you out in any way, it's just a nice thank you. Well, you guys take care, stay safe, and we will see you soon.